You're in the lift. A colleague gets in, someone from another country. He smiles. He asks, "So, how was your day?" Simple question, 5 words. And your brain crashes. It starts looking for words. Meeting. How do you say meeting? Traffic. How do you say I was stuck in traffic? Is it past simple? Past continuous? Should I use was or had? 5 seconds pass. 10 seconds. And you say, "It was good." That's it. Silence. He nods. The door's open. He leaves. You stand there thinking, "I know English. Why can't I just talk?" Here's why. Nobody taught you how to talk about your day. They taught you grammar, tenses, vocabulary lists. But not this. Not the simple art of, telling someone what happened. Today, that changes. Here's something most people get wrong. They think to talk about their day in English, they need complicated sentences, passive voice, complex grammar, perfect vocabulary. They don't. Native speakers don't say, "My morning was characterized by an unforeseen series of unfortunate events." They say, "My morning was a disaster." That's it. 4 words, understood by everyone. You don't need more words. You need the right words. And today I'm giving you 3 blocks, 3 simple blocks that let you talk about any day, in simple English, without thinking too much. Morning, day, evening. That's all a day is. 3 parts, 3 blocks. Let's go through them. But first, go to the comments right now. Write 1 word. How was your day today? 1 word in English. Good, tired, crazy, long, nice, anything. Just write it. Let's start with the morning. Here's how most people describe their morning in English. They try to say everything. They try to be perfect. They freeze. Here's how it actually works. 3 phrases. That's all you need. First phrase, I woke up late, or I woke up early, or I woke up tired. Say it with me. I woke up late. Again, I woke up tired. Good. Second phrase, I grabbed a coffee. Grabbed. This is a great word. It means you took something quickly, fast, not slowly. You grabbed it. I grabbed a coffee. I grabbed my bag. I grabbed my phone. Say it. I grabbed a coffee. Again, I grabbed my bag and left. Third phrase, I was in a rush. This means you had no time. Everything was fast, chaotic, stressful. I was in a rush. Say it. Now put them together. I woke up late. I grabbed a coffee. I was in a rush. 3 sentences, 15 words, and someone knows exactly how your morning went. That's not bad English. That's real English. One more thing about mornings. 2 phrasal verbs. Get up when you leave the bed. Head out when you leave the house. I got up at 7. I headed out at 8. Simple, clean, real. Say it. I got up, I headed out. The middle of the day, work, meetings, problems, more coffee. This is where most people stop. They don't know how to describe work without complicated words. Here's the secret. Don't describe the work, describe the feeling. It was hectic. Hectic means busy, crazy busy, everything at once. It was hectic. Say it. It was hectic. I was stuck in meetings. Stuck, like you can't move, like you're trapped. I was stuck in meetings all day. Say it. I was stuck in meetings. I got things done. This means you finished your work. You completed it, even if it was hard. I got things done. Say it. I got things done. Now, imagine your day is a film. What's the title of today's film? The Endless Meeting? Coffee and Chaos? I Got Things Done? Go to the comments. Write the title of your day in English. Make it funny if you want. One title. That's your day. 3 more phrases for the middle of the day. I had a lot going on. This means many things happening. I had a lot going on today. Things got a bit crazy. A bit softens it. Not too dramatic, just a bit crazy. I needed a break. Simple, true, human. Say all 3. I had a lot going on. Things got a bit crazy. I needed a break. That's a whole story. In 3 sentences. Evening. You're home. You're tired. You don't want to think. And someone asks, "How was your day?" Here's what you say. I'm exhausted. Not, I am very tired. I'm exhausted. It sounds real. It sounds human. Say it. I'm exhausted. I just want to chill. Chill, relax, do nothing, watch something, just be. I just want to chill. Say it. I'm wrapping up. This means finishing, closing the day, coming to the end. I'm wrapping up the day. Say it. I'm wrapping up. Now, here's the grammar secret about your day. Past simple is your best friend. I woke up. I grabbed. I headed out. I got things done. I needed a break. All past simple. All correct. All real. Don't worry about past continuous. Don't worry about perfect tenses. Past simple. That's enough. If people understand you, you're speaking correctly. That's the rule, not the grammar book. People understanding you. That's the rule. Now put the whole day together. I woke up late. I grabbed a coffee. I was in a rush. It was hectic. I was stuck in meetings. But I got things done. Now I'm exhausted. I just want to chill. That's your day. In English, 8 sentences. No grammar stress. No translation. Just your story. Now, your turn. Right now. Out loud. Tell me about one thing you did today. Not your whole day. One thing, 3 words. Had a meeting. Grabbed some coffee. Finished some work. Took a walk. 3 words. That's it. Go to the comments. Write it. Your 3 words. In English. What did you do today? This is not bad English. This is the foundation. First the bricks, then the building. And if you want the full list, 100 phrases for describing any day, plus the full transcript of this video, it's on Patreon. Free. Read it. Listen again. Find the phrases. Make them yours. And if you want the full system, not just phrases, the Ultimate English Lore course is there too. Link in the description. Here's something nobody tells you. Your day is not a report. It's not homework. It's not a grammar exercise. Your day is a story. Your story. And stories don't need to be perfect. They need to be real. I woke up late. It was hectic, but I got things done. That's a story. A real one. In English. Yours. There's a reason this channel is called English Lore. Lore is not grammar rules. Lore is not vocabulary lists. Lore is the knowledge that comes from real life, real days, real moments, real words. Today you got 3 blocks: morning, day, evening. Tomorrow, use them. When someone asks, "How was your day?" don't freeze. Just start with morning. 1 sentence, then day. 1 sentence, then evening. 1 sentence. 3 sentences. That's enough. That's real. That's English. Go to the channel, Pick the next story. Keep listening. Keep talking. The playlist is waiting.